On, beautiful people, it's another beautiful day on my side. Of course, I'm so thankful I brought my camera with me today to do some edits while I was at work, because I've been able to record a couple events that I've been to. Today I went to an art event for my school. Shout out to all the students that have been creating art, getting commissioned for their art. That's so awesome that they can start making money in school from their trade or their skill. Shout out to my dog Pat, man. Big shout out to my dog Pat, man. And Dimpy's food truck. Patrick started Dimpy's food truck not too long ago, and I promise he has some of the best food in Texas. So I actually hit him up and was trying to see if he was working today so I could pull up and get something to eat. And he was at an event today. It's called Food for the Soul. So there's an event today. I'm not really sure what the event is about, but there's an event today. Show y'all some of the vendors that are here, because it's a couple food trucks. It's basically like a food competition. So there's food trucks, there's vendors that are having a competition to get to decide who has the best food or whatever in the city. I don't know. Rip and run around the parking lot real quick, show y'all what they have to offer, and then I'm getting out of here. First time ever seeing vegan horchata. Toast. I definitely had a cup of that strawberry lemonade. Fire. I can't even cap to y'all, man. Fire. Next we got Dimpy's, the food truck. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I couldn't go without doing it, man. I had to come talk my shit, man. See what they got going on. And then C-New back there, man. He a man of many trades. You always gonna catch him behind the scenes. Dimpy's. Go ahead and talk your talk, though. Go ahead and tell the people.
Pretty good.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. You know what's going on, man. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is get me a glass. Young lady told me I was being boring. How you doing? Can I get some wine, please? That's perfect. I'm gonna toast with this young lady, because I'm definitely not boring. You have a glass? Cheers to you. Thank you. No. Yay! Don't stop! Don't stop! Yeah! Hey, how you doing? Bit up the wine. That's a really good thing. Hold on over here.
We are a Cajun style food truck, and they're ready to race tonight. Want to try some? No?
I'll take some. You have a lid?
No.
No lids?
You want some meat?
What I gotta do for him? Oh, okay. Thought I had to. Thank you. I was on the board, and then I was on the board 6 years.
How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Got a real energetic smile, man.
I'm always.
Handsome smile.
Always have. That's the reason why.
Oh, I bet. that's a lot of reasons right there.
Yeah, that's enough.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Hi. Come on. The artist just came in today at 1:30 to sign. Did you tell me? This artist came in to sign this today. She was a Healy Murphy graduate. Healy Murphy graduate.
So what I'm just learning is that this is a school. These are some of the sponsors for the event today.
Thank you, brother. Always
all like transportation.
Man, I fuck around and stayed out here and I'm having a great time. I'm about to give you a real live reaction to Dimpy's egg rolls. They was on my head about them egg rolls, man. Yeah, there you go. Yes, ma'am. They trying to work me. Oh yeah. Hey man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Thank y'all for lasting this long. If you did last this long, you made it to the end of the video, man. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, tell a friend to tell a friend, the whole 9 yards, man. Food for the soul, man. But dang, what's the name of it? Let me look real quick. Out to the Harvey Murphy Center. Harvey Murphy, golly. Shout out to the Harvey Murphy Center event, man. I'm proud of you. If you didn't know, man, let me show y'all something real quick. Yeah, man, I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you. If nobody else told you, I'm proud of you, man. Y'all have a great day. Have a blessed weekend, man. Make sure y'all tap in. Tell somebody you love them. Hug them, man. Enjoy life. Like Roy Lee say, man, smile every day, man.